This nigga is African King, just like you know what I'm saying?
He's just old, like, let me get this Afroman, man, can you get a photo real quick?
Yeah, let's do it, man. All right, how you doing, man?
Good, how you doing, man?
All right, bro.
Y'all, right on time. Bro,
All right.
thank you. Good show, man. Oh, dude. Hey, you want that?
Good shit, got it?
Hey.
Is it up? Is it up?
I'm coming up there.
Yeah, here I come. I'm gonna hit Newport in a minute, man. Here I come.
Before you go up, thanks for the inspiration, straight up, bro.
No problem, man. Hopefully.
Hey, bro, hey, my shit's a smoke session. Wouldn't be the smoke session if I ain't get high, nigga. Hey.
Nice meeting you.
All right, yeah, okay.
Who you see my book bag anywhere?
Hey. Trust me, bro. The Northwest ain't legalizing weed, and there's no reason they listening to your music. Hey, you know what I mean?
To the Northwest because I know I gotta leave.
Hey.
Y'all be mad as fuck driving away.
Hey, but you know what? Yeah, I asked him for
I got one last push.
But I mean, everything I'll send to you before anything.
Too many projects.
Too many, man.
They got projects coming out every day.
I got more projects than Pat.
You heard of Urban Streets? You
Huh?
heard of Urban Streets?
You heard when Master Features drop them hits every time.
No, I haven't. But what's
He
up?
dropping hits every time, baby.
You want to do a shout out? Say, hey, shout out to Urban Streets. I got these projects coming out.
Yeah, let's do it.
Afro motherfucking M.A.
What's your name? What is it?
Afroman Music, you know what I'm saying?
AfromanMusic.com.
Urban Streets.
Yeah, I got you. That's a true statement. I got
I
you.
do that for my boy that he owns the studio.
Urban Streets, right?
Yeah.
You know what they want to try to get somebody
Said you got some new shit coming out.
About when?
Definitely.
145 or so.
What for? Okay, that's an hour from now.
About 12:30 though. So we got like 15.
They want 15 minutes. Try to
Okay, we got like.
So, and we're trying to keep the crowd.
Hey, you go ahead and do a shout out too. I'll get you.
What you?
All right, we rolling?
You know what I'm saying? Ready?
Yeah, running.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Hey, what's going on? It's the Hungry Hustling American Dream. Afro Money Making MAN, you know what I'm saying? Giving a shout out to Urban Streets out there in the urban streets. Y'all be looking out for all these releases I got coming out. Marijuana music, you know what I'm saying? The Fro Rider, all about low riding. Damn. Let's see, cross country pimping. You understand? Oh yeah, y'all be looking at if you're from Oregon, listen out for Oregon Girl. All I really want, all I really need is an Oregon girl with some Oregon weed. Hey, let's see here, man. Too much stuff. Facebook, OG Afro Man. That's right, Facebook /OG Afro Man. Let's talk about it. Yeah, you've been dipping in that mustard too long. Come on, catch on up, baby.
Check us out, man. With the Full Props. We with the Hungry Hustlers. Check us out, though. 2013.
Cool. He gonna love that.